Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this smart band. To force restart this smart band, basically we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the HUAWEI logo appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. And once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the smart band is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.